Avela Services is a company that's jointly owned by Penny Lane Builders and South Liverpool Homes, and we did that so that we could reap the benefits of having an expert company like Penny Lane running our repairs service. Our planet strategy is about how we as a business at SLH help deliver government and local targets around net carbon zero, and that's all about improving the environment and addressing global warming through reducing greenhouse gas emissions. It's really important that we have these electric vans because they play their part by using less petrol or diesel, but the most important part of that for us is about that they're not putting out those pollutants into the atmosphere.
So from our perspective, we looked at the sort of makeup of our fleet, almost 40 vans operating exclusively in Speke and Garston and local communities. The combined mileage of that fleet locally is over 300,000 miles a year. So the vehicles themselves are probably the end of a process of us looking at a more optimised, efficient service delivery model. So the vans have been part of a journey with the operatives in terms of us looking at how they deliver the service. It was important for us to get buy-in from the workforce that we wanted to change the way we do things. We needed them to understand why we were doing it and how their behaviours would support our journey and our objectives. So now with obviously the first 4 vehicles being rolled out, as you can imagine by the look of them, they're in high demand. Everybody who's driving them absolutely loves them. Yeah, everyone's really enthusiastic, and I think it's important for them to be able to see that they work for an organisation that is committed to this environmental cause, and that they play no small part in that.
The impact of having a full fleet of electric vehicles would be, one, from a business point of view, they're a much more efficient way to deliver the service. Secondly, it reduces costs because we're not obviously having to pay for petrol and diesel in the vehicles. And then, as I said, from a customer base, we've got a more efficient vehicle fleet to make sure we can get to the customers on time, we can schedule repairs in a much more efficient way and give a great service to our customers, which is what we're all about.